What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name is Robert. You're watching Tacoma Overland, and in today's adventure, guys, we're currently in the San Gabriel Mountains at Lytle Creek, where we're doing a one-day camping trip. I'm here with my buddy James, and we just set up camp here. We found this awesome camp spot. Nobody out here today. It is a weekday, which is pretty nice because the trails are completely empty. We spent the morning cruising around, exploring the area, and then finally around noon we came in here, set up camp, and in a little bit we're gonna be making lunch, followed by dinner this evening, and we might even do a hike a little bit later because it is a nice day. There's no clouds out, so stay tuned for that, guys. For now, I'll take you on a tour around camp. Alright guys, like all adventures, we began the morning early at the gas station. I decided a quarter tank wasn't enough for me today, so I decided to throw a couple extra gallons into the truck. Now Lytle Creek doesn't take you too far away from civilization, but I do sometimes like to run my truck when I'm at camp to keep my battery charged, and to also sometimes charge my portable battery that I use to power my fridge when I'm at camp. In no time, we reached the trailhead for today's adventure, where it was time to air down and explore the dirt roads and have some fun out there. Alright guys, so we had some fun out on the dirt trail this morning. It was awesome just to get out on our day off and explore the area, explore the mountains, and just take in the beautiful scenery out there. Around noon, we decided we're getting a little hungry, so it was time to go ahead and find a camp spot. We came to this awesome location with nobody around, set up camp, and in no time, it was time to start cooking lunch. Today's lunch, I decided to go with tacos. It's an awesome lunch that I love to cook on the Scottle. Super easy, but super good at the same time. Stay tuned for that, guys. Alright guys, that's a wrap for lunch. As always, super delicious. We even had a little unexpected visitor that stopped by. I can't help but think she smelled the tacos and wanted to come over and try some, but she was super nice and friendly. After lunch, we went for a hike to take in the scenery and just let the food digest and do some exploring out there. So after our hike, nightfall was approaching fast. It was time to get back to camp so we could start cooking up dinner. Today's dinner, we're going with salmon, brown rice, and asparagus. And boy guys, was it amazing. How's it going, guys? So we had an awesome day yesterday. It's about 6 o'clock and we just woke up. We're getting everything packed up so we can head out and get on the road early to beat the weekday traffic to work. But before we do, we're just kind of hanging out. It's absolutely amazing this morning. Perfect temperature. I don't think I even got in my sleeping bag last night. I was just in shorts and a t-shirt. Super nice evening. And we had absolutely no visitors last night. Didn't hear a single car come by. So it was a great trip. We're gonna go ahead, pack up camp, and we're gonna hit the road and get out of here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a like, hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos to come. Until then, take care and I'll see you guys on the next adventure.